touch that fine for you. I do that 3 bucks.
What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, today I'm bringing y'all a good old collab video. I did have a company reach out to me. Their name will be on the screen. But before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So, yes, I had a company reach out to me, asking me would I mind doing a collaboration with their company. Y'all know that I love tennis shoes, and this company here, they sell tennis shoes, bags, clothes, and everything. So do make sure you check out their website. Also their Instagram. I will put all of their information in the description box, and I will put my coupon code in the description box and on the screen. So y'all, let's just get right into it. Y'all like my hair today? But anyway, y'all, let's just get right into it. They did send me a pair of Jordan 4s. These are some retros. And y'all, I literally just picked these because I don't have any gray shoes. I don't think I have any gray shoes that's like the whole shoe is gray. And also I don't have any Jordan 4s. So I picked these for that reason, or those reasons. But y'all, this is the shoe. So freaking cute. And like I said, the whole shoe is, and y'all, I'm sorry, but my allergies are acting up. That's why I don't have any like eyeliner or nothing on, because my eyes are itching. So if y'all see me doing this, that is the reason why. But anyway, back to the shoe, honey. These are so freaking cute. I know I'm going to be able to style these very easily. Y'all can see the detailing and the stitching and all of that on the tongue as well. So these are really, really cute. I did try them on the other day. They have the little bubbles here. And y'all see all of these. Everything looks really good. Really, really good. So y'all, I really am in love with these, and I am going to style these for y'all. Y'all know tennis shoes are very, very comfortable. Always, easy to style for me. And y'all, these are neutral because these can go with any color. And y'all, these are very, very comfortable, true to size and everything. Love all the detailing, and the stitching is very good quality and all of that. And y'all, I'm just really showing y'all the shoes so y'all can see the details on here. Very, very good. This company, they did specify to me when they emailed me that they do specialize in high quality replicas. But y'all, I did some research on this shoe, and like I told y'all, I don't have any Jordan 4s until now. But I did some research on this shoe, and I cannot find any imperfections. I cannot find, what's different versus me getting these from the company or Foot Locker. So that's why I'm like reiterating and really just showing y'all the quality on this shoe. Oh, let me let y'all see the bottom as well. Because real sneakerheads, they literally go off of the stitching, the bottom of the shoe, tongue of the shoe. I mean, literally every little thing you could think of. Me personally, I don't really wear replicas like that, but I'm not oblivious to them. And I do know that I know good quality when I see it. Also, like I told you, I look these up to see what could possibly be different. Is it the same? All of that. And also the tongue is a good quality. It's cushiony. The inside, let me show y'all. The inside has the Jordan symbol and all of that. As y'all can tell, came with the little shoe horn so that the shoe can stay, crisp at the toe and all of that. So y'all, these are very well made. And even with that shoe horn out, it is not like a little flimsy around the toe and all of that. Good stitching on it. I mean, this is a very good quality shoe. Now, I will purchase some Jordan 4s from like Foot Locker or Nike or whatever, and I'll still look to see if the quality is the exact same. But what I looked up online, it looks identical to if I got these at Foot Locker and paid $200 or whatever, because y'all know these are very, very expensive. Also, they did give me a really good coupon code where you can get $20 off. This is for if you buy a purse. Now, I haven't seen any of their purses in person or anything like that, because this is my first time working with the company. But from what I saw on their website, everything looks pretty good. So hopefully I continue to work with this company and I can show y'all some bags and things like that. Because me personally, it would take a lot for me to actually spend $3,000 or $2,000 on a bag. Now, for some people, they don't mind, but for me, I'm very frugal and I make wise decisions with my money. And also, I have a million bags and shoes and stuff like that, and if I can get them for a discount and they look store-bought, really good quality and all of that, I definitely will recommend shopping with this company, because why not? If you can save some coins. Also, my code is Qui20. And again, that will be in the description box and on the screen. So, y'all, these are really cute. And I'm thinking maybe I should do a little style. I'm not really sure. But I'll show y'all these on my feet. Give me a second. So y'all see how the shoes look on my feet, and this is both of them. I literally just took them off so I could do that little clip for y'all. But this is both of them. Again, they look identical, nothing off. Also, they do come in the box. They do have the little price tag, how they come like from Foot Locker. They have the little tissue paper. They give you the receipt and all of that stuff like that. And it also comes with the StockX little thing here. So you can use the little QR code to scan the shoe to check the authenticity. I'm just pulling up stuff that's in the box, y'all, because it's a lot of little stuff that's in the box. And y'all, this is the company. I'm trying to get the little thank you card. Okay, so it's just showing thank you. It's not really showing their information. It just says like a thank you for your purchase or whatever. But y'all, I will have the company listed and all of that. And again, these are very, very cute. I always very, very cute. I did always want some fours. Y'all know that I'm always shopping and looking around. Y'all know I love tennis shoes and stuff like that. So this is my very first pair of fours. But I feel really, really good about these. And again, y'all go and purchase from the company. Buy y'all some shoes. Get y'all some clothes. Some bags. Y'all know the holidays are coming up. Christmas and stuff like that. Go ahead and put y'all's orders in. Use my coupon code Qui20 to get you $20 off. Also, I think if you shop with them so much, they send you like little coupons and stuff. So just take full advantage, because again, y'all know these shoes can run you anywhere from like $160, $150 to $200, $250 depending on your shoe size. Mine typically are anywhere from $150 to $160 if I get them in store, if I do not catch them on sale. Y'all know I normally wear like Jordan 1s. I have a lot of those that I have caught on sale on the app. But if I wait too long or something like that, or if I really, really want something too bad, not if I wait too long, if I take a long time, I may not be able to get them. So I randomly find those on sale Y'all know that this company is going to have what you want. They have a wide variety of shoes. They have Nikes, Adidas. They don't only have Jordans. They have like Balenciagas. They have all of those little high-end shoes that cost you even more than a pair of Jordans. So y'all go and shop with them and save your money. And yeah, y'all, that's the end of the video. So hopefully I gave y'all a really good detailing of these shoes again. And then I love the different colors of gray. Really, really nice and very well made. Very well made. So y'all go shop with the company. Use my coupon code Qui20. Save yourself $20. Get you some bags, some clothes, and some shoes, honey, and look good for the low. And y'all already know, honey, we are out.